This will be the elevator here at the low quality inn here in South Bend, Indiana near the airport. Wait for it. Ah, yes. We are going up. And there it is. Hold us. Let's go to 3. Alrighty, here we go. Jeez. Look, it's Dover. Let's go down to 1. There we go. Get that neat lantern too. Going up? Going up?
Yeah.
Come on in.
Huh?
I said come on in. What floor?
3, please. Okay, let's see. What open? Oh, the windows. Chicken.
Maybe that. This is me now.
Here's 3rd floor. Go ahead. Have a good day.
Thank you. Come on, y'all. Come on.
Which way?
I'm just running.
Stop running.
There's 80 phone. There's this. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but there's a wire in there. It's definitely a nice elevator. I noticed they replaced this button here, so this is why. Impulse buttons. Look at that. It's a Dover. There we go. We're going to ring the time. And there goes the elevator. That's the elevator sign. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.